Guys, today I'm going to be doing a custom showcase, and today I will be showcasing James the Red Engine. Okay, brief backstory for James. During World War I, several N-Class kits were sold to different workshops or manufacturers or wherever, and the Northwestern purchased one in 1923. But the then controller of the railway objected to building it and opted to loan engines. But in 1925, after most of the loaned engines had left, they decided that they needed to build a new engine. The Fat Controller found the N-Class kit that had been collecting dust, and he decided to build it. On his first day, James landed in a field, and Thomas rescued him with the breakdown train. But you all know that already. Okay, so how I made my model. Basically, it was a 2003 James. And sadly, I do not really take pictures when I'm modeling. So, I'm just going off of, just trust me. Okay, so, for the raised running board, I kind of just used clay. It looks good. Same for the this little front bit. No idea what it's called. It's there. I gave him his red coat, blue lining, the black, the gold, the NW on the cab, 5 on the tender, gold dome, cab windows, side window. Yeah, I'll show you. James's back, and the front tender, side of James, back of tender, front of James, and well, we got the other side, which is just the same as the other side. And the face, I cut off the original face, and I made this out of cardboard. I think it looks pretty nice. And yeah, okay, only recently I added weathering to the top of my models, and you can see I added it to the tender. Yeah, I might need to fix up that wheel. And well, I clear coated him and he was done. Yeah, that's my James. Not much to really say about him. Nothing too special. Sorry about that. He's just James. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day.